Hello friend, welcome. In this video, we'll add a unit test bundle, okay? And maybe we'll add a reset button and the logic for that, and we'll test it. So how to create a test bundle? Click here, click the project here, and you see they are target. This is our app target Connect4. So we can add, click here, right, and add our iOS test, okay, unit test bundle. Yeah, this guy, double click, and Connect4 tests. Actually we'll test our model. The model's name, right, is Connect4, that one. Okay, so finish. Oh, Connect4 test. Actually, this is not a good idea. And can we redo it? Oh, cool. We can simply roll back. So git status. Let's see, git checkout dot, and git status again, new files, changes. Okay, so run this. Wait a minute. And how can we remove those two files and use that to onstage? Okay, so put this one and file. Let's see, you must specify path. Okay, so let's make a copy of that one here, and make a copy of this one and put it here. Now let's see, git status. Okay, uncheck the file. So this, now we can remove it. Remove. This is a directory, I guess. Now git status. Oh, now it's clean. Okay, let's do it again. So let's create a test bundle here. We'll accept the default name. Okay, Connect4. This is our project name. Project Connect4 test. Finish. Okay, great. So what I want to do is this guy. This guy, we don't need that. Delete that. Move to trash. Now we'll create one to test our model unit test case class. This is our model tests. Okay, create bridging header. Don't create. This is the bridge between Swift and the old Object-C programming language. We don't need that. So what do we want to test first? Like always, we want to test the description of a board. Okay, so test description of our model. Now to access anything inside this app, we need to do add testable and import our project. This guy, the blue one here. Now we should be able to create our let's create a game, okay, which is our model. Now this here we can use the model because it's a testing file, right? Connect the 4 like that, and that's printed model, and save to trigger this one, the clickable icon to run the test. So what is the output here? This is the description by default. It lists like all the properties inside here. Yeah, 2 of them, right? And we want to customize our description, so we can use extension here. Extension, this guy will conform to our protocol called CustomStringConvertible. That, wait for a few seconds, and the autocomplete will help us with that. Okay, cool. So whatever we return here, it will be printed out as the description. So next time when we run the test, right, it won't be that. It will be replaced by this string. Okay, and hold down Option key to click this one, and click again. Yeah, right. So now let's build this description. So one desc equals empty, so we'll return it, right? desc. So here we'll print out the first row of our, yeah, the first dot. Okay, like that. Now run it. A dot, right? Now that's output the first row, so it will be 7 dots. 4, we don't need that for now. In 0, the range dot 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 less than 7, and put it in, and command U to run all the test cases. We have only 1, right? So this one here, now we need 6 of them. We need 6 rows, right? 0 dot dot 6. So let's move in, and don't forget we need a line break. We need a line break after each row, at the end of each row, right? Command U. Okay, great. Now let's put a label 0 at the bottom for the row, for the columns. Okay, so this is simple, so we can do that. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and run it. Yeah, now let's add the label, right, for the rows. 0 1 2. Okay, like that. So it'll be here, desc plus equal is, yeah, we'll put a number inside this one, and now we need this guy like I. So if we put I here, it won't work because it will be upside down, right? We want 0 at the bottom, so how can we do that? Easy, right? That, and we want to add 1 space here. Now command U. Okay, great. So here we have an empty board now, right? With that we can, So how can we use xct assert instead of printing? We can xct assert assert true. Okay, see, xct assert true. Model dot description dot contains something. The something is, let's say, let's pick this one. Okay, this will put it here and test again. Yeah, so if we add something here, it'll be broken. Okay, of course. Now undo. With that, we can add another test case. Test drop add. Okay, drop add. Let's test this function, drop add. Oh, okay. So we still need a var this time, right? Model equals. So we have an empty board. Now let's do model dot drop add column. Let's use the middle column. Okay, 3. So we can xct assert not nil. Okay, what is not nil? Model dot piece at column 3 row 0, right? Save it and to trigger this one. Yeah, it passed. So if we print out the board before we drop and after we drop the piece, let's see, let's compare. So before is empty here. Oh, after that, yeah, we still don't have the implementation of that. Let's do it quickly. So here, the description, we can use if let piece equals piece at, right? Piece at column is our, okay, column is this guy, column, and the row is 5 minus I, 5 minus I, and okay, let's make it bigger, wider. So if there is a piece, we'll handle that shortly, and otherwise it means it's an empty, so we can just put a dot there. So if it's not empty, we'll do this, we'll append something based on a condition, right? So if the piece dot player equal dot red, right? Dot red. Otherwise, oh, if it's red, we'll put an R there. Otherwise, we'll put a yellow there. So we can improve this logic a little bit by adding is red here. So var is red, you will return, okay, so it's boolean. It will return. We don't need to return if there's just a single line of code here, so we can say self dot self equal dot red. Okay, so now we can replace this one, this logic, with, you guess, right? U is red, like that. Now command B, value of, what's wrong? oh, it's piece.player. Yeah, it's red. Okay, now let's run it again. Yeah, there's an R here, right? And if we draw another one here, and let's see, it should be yellow, right? Yes, it works. Cool. So now I think we can, yeah, we can stop here. And so in this video we created the test bundle, right, and implement the description of our model. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.